mean, it's pretty nice animation. There is no sound. This is the deal about Midjourney. Midjourney can get you pretty nice visuals, but so far they didn't integrate sound, audio. You got it. So the thing is, how to make the video in Midjourney. First of all, you gotta create short video by your prompt. Here's my prompt. This is a prompt for the animation. First thing first. Okay, let's go one by one. You create the static picture, like this or like that, any kind of story you want to tell. Then, by pressing animate manually, you can say like, I want this head to explode, I want this head to start talking, and so on. So we've got animation, right? For example, we've got, I'm not gonna animate, I don't want to spend my credits, but we got this or that kind of, you see, this weird kind of animation, right? Pretty attractive to me, I mean, weird characters, why not? So you got the animation. What are you gonna do next? You gotta create the sound. How to create the sound? Go to ai.studio.google.com. So let's go home. Here you gotta build. So, oh no, I'm confused. Sorry. So AI Studio, and here we got generate native speech with Gemini, right? Here you've got style instruction and speaker 1 and speaker 2. Simple settings. You gotta spend 2 minutes and you will understand everything. Don't make it too complicated. Here's the temperature. Temperature, it's like creativity style, so I always put it 1.5, 1.6 because I like some hidden, I don't know. You play around. Here you choose the voice of speaker 1 and speaker 2. Here you put the style instruction. So I'm gonna show you my style. For example, here, style instruction, style instruction, style instruction. So here we go. This is the style instruction for my new stickers, right? Here we go. The entire script is rapid fire dialogue. The core rule is like, look at this text. I mean, I spent some time you gotta spend some time to teach your AI what kind of style instruction you wanna see. You gotta test, you hear the sound, you don't like the sound, you give direction, give comments. So I will change this stuff. Also, you gotta focus on which kind of words you wanna hear in the instruction. That's important. Algorithm read first. Then algorithm understand where it's gonna put your video, which direction, which audience are going to see your videos. And number 2, people are going to listen to this stuff. And this is the number 1, people are going to listen, right? You gotta put some sense. And using AI technologies, you can really put deep sense. You can create beautiful stuff. So here we go. Control-C, Control-V, or simply paste. So paste here on the left side, and from the right side, you see, now it's perfectly organized. Here's the style instruction. Here's speaker 1, speaker 2, speaker 1, speaker 2. So there are some rules. You get to study, you get to learn how to do that. You will understand it once, then it's gonna be easier. So now just simply press run, and we are going to wait for how long? I believe for like 1 minute, 30 seconds, it depends. Sometimes the servers are busy, many people are generating stuff, so you gotta wait a little bit, but look, and just keep talking and it's gonna be done. So we are waiting. So now I'm going to grab my stickers.
Trying
already
to
done.
flow like the sea, but mostly feeling like a beach.
Shit, you see sometimes the mistake. It's only 19 seconds. Where is the mistake? Maybe this word is not necessary here. So we got to run it again. Oh, yes, looks perfect. Welcome to it mostly. Okay, run again. You see, you got it. You just saw the real time mistake of AI error. So, but it's not a big deal. So we gotta grab all of this stuff. So I prepared voiceover for all of these animated pictures, right? I simply grab them to the timeline in my CapCut. You can use Adobe, up to you. I can use Adobe Final Cut, any kind of programs are really good. There are so many. So now I gotta follow the order because that's important in my case. So here's a little bit of, I know what I'm doing, but when you're working on your project, you probably understand what you're doing. So we've got the pictures, animated pictures, one by one, till my universe is the last one, right? Correct. So now I need my voice, I need my audio. I'll grab my audio and I'll get, yo, 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 I'll get the beautiful sound. Two speakers, one male, another one female, with emotional tone, with CTA. CTA, it's called to action.
Trying slow like
Okay.
the sea, but mostly feeling like a beach seal. It's a vibe. Speak with stickers.
For sale, slightly used shell, ocean view. We are here to create some serious property value.
You say sounds natural, but then you can make in some manipulations with your audio to make it more fun, more creative in CapCut, and CapCut is pretty nice. I've heard they raised prices. So far in Vietnam, I still pay like $10 a month. It's okay, but if they want to charge me 1 million, if they want to charge me um, $20, $30 a month, thank you guys, or 50 or $100, thank you guys. I'll find something free. But CapCut so far so good. Honestly, like it's very good application. If you ask me, I didn't use Adobe for a long time because of my machine is not so powerful. That's why I'm doing Twitch and so on. I want to raise money. I want to earn money with my creative job, and shit, I want to buy a new powerful machine, and for sure I want to try new Adobe features because I've heard that you can put the animated, for example, you film the scene and then you can grab a little bit right. If it's you just need some extra seconds, you just drag it right and you get some extra seconds AI generated, and these frames are gonna be completely meshed with your previous frames. So I didn't try, I just heard about that, but I believe it's gonna work because AI technologies are crazy, they're insane, and they're very good for creative people who really want to do something right now. If you don't have any skills in design and so on, forget about this, my friend. Your skills right now is the word. Power of